Alright, welcome back to Car Crazy Ghost excursion into Snow Storm Nemo. We got ambulances, they're trying to get a police car out of the snow right here. There are a ton of cars here. They're all stuck in the snow here. This is impossible. I don't know what they were thinking. There are cars littered all around 347. I'm watching a snowplow with his wheels spinning in the snow. In a second, you're gonna see a car on a guardrail. Looks like he just didn't adjust correctly to the street. Green. Perfect traction. Yeah, here's a car up on the guardrail. Check that out. Here we go. This is 347, if you can believe it. You see wall bounce to my left. You see cars littering the roadway. You got snow drifts. People shoveling their cars out. It is nasty out here. Look at this. I don't know what people are thinking. Alright, stopping it and recording a new one.